Hello everyone, all the respected faculty members, research scholars, and people who are associated with research and teaching fraternity. A warm welcome to you all in this intro video of 1 week online workshop on discovering statistics through Excel and SPSS. This is Karthikeya Singh, working as an assistant professor in the School of Management Sciences, Varanasi. Take this honor and pride to share the information related to the webinar. As we all know, so far we have conducted almost 12 national and international webinars and one complete FDP on NAAC accreditation process within a short span of 2 months. Continuing with the legacy of School of Management Sciences, Varanasi, to make things even bigger and better, we are going to organize 1 week online workshop on discovering statistics through Excel and SPSS. We convert this pandemic situation into an opportunity of reskilling and upskilling ourselves. As we all know, due to lack of subject knowledge of statistics, most of us struggle to publish good research papers, and which in turn hampers our growth prospects too. In this structured statutory framework of UGC, we all are interested to publish our paper in reputed journals, and most of us to use good amount of statistical tools and techniques. Unfortunately, due to lack of command over these statistical tools, we struggle to publish our research paper in reputed journals, which is not only going to hamper our growth potential or growth prospects, but also it is going to hamper the prospect of our institution too. Faculty research contribution plays a significant role in getting good grade from NAAC accreditation. To solve this problem, we have designed this 1 week workshop in such a way that it will not only give you the basic knowledge of statistics, but also give you hands-on exposure to use Excel and SPSS. Key resource person of our webinar, he is Professor GP Singh, Professor in Department of Statistics, Institute of Science, BHU Varanasi. His teaching style is such that even a layman who is not having any background of maths can also understand things very easily. Sir starts things right from the scratch and move on further to reach to the advanced level. Helps participant to connect with the subject matter quite well. Sir is PhD in statistics from BHU Varanasi only, and having a very rich experience of more than 28 years. His field of specializations are statistical inferences, Bayesian data analysis, teaching statistics through Excel and SPSS. Also been invited to conduct more than 200 workshops as a key resource person in different institutes of repute. Sir has conducted, specially designed more than 21 workshops with a theme of understanding statistics through Excel and SPSS. So be rest assured, you are going to have a great learning experience. Let me tell you the aim of this particular webinar. This webinar is to expose participants towards the simple and exhaustive ways of data analysis. Then to cover topics through an interactive and practice-based sessions along with theoretical learnings. Third, to provide sessions which are designed in such a way that people who are not having any background of research and mathematics can also be able to understand things quite easily. To provide participants with a sample data set to analyze so that they may gain confidence and expertise in conducting research in their respective subject domains. And finally, to provide platforms where participants will get hands-on experience of MS Excel and SPSS and its use in solving real-life problems. If you talk about topics to be covered, it is being segregated into 8 parts, and how things will move through these 8 parts, I'm going to tell you. First, it will start with study design. Then we are going to cover sampling techniques, sample size determination, and in data structure, we are going to cover understanding variables, measurement scale variables, types of variables, and method of data entry in softwares. Basic idea of probability and probability distribution will be covered through MS Excel and SPSS. So we are going to cover next univariate data analysis, and in univariate data analysis, we are going to cover graphical descriptors, construction, and their uses. Then we are going to cover numerical descriptors under this, and calculation and other interpretation is also going to be covered. Then bivariate data analysis, graphical understanding of data will be covered under this. Measurement of strength of relation between variables will also be covered. Then correlation matrix association, basic regression analysis is also going to be dealt in this. In seventh part, estimation and hypothesis testing will be covered. And in this, construction of confidence interval with selected confidence level will be covered. Parametric test, under parametric test, we are going to cover t-test, chi-square test, and f-test, and ANOVA too. And in non-parametric test, we are going to cover Mann-Whitney test, Wilcoxon test, Kruskal-Wallis test, and Friedman's rank test. Finally, in eighth part of this workshop, exposure to analysis of multivariate data is also going to be covered. In this, regression analysis, logistic regression analysis, analysis of covariates, ANCOVA, and dimension reduction techniques, and factor analysis is also going to be covered in this workshop. Last day of the workshop will be kept for query handling sessions, where your all doubts of the subject matter will be discussed. So registration link is provided in the description box of this video, so register through that link. Content related to the coverage are provided on the description box. It will give you an idea about the course coverage. On Saturday, 20th June 2020, a preparatory session of the workshop will take place, in which we are going to guide you on how to download trial version of softwares, and we'll share different data sets which you will be using during this workshop. Come and join us in sharing this learning experience. Hope we'll meet in the workshop, which is going to start from 22nd of June and will end up on 28th of June. These sessions will start at 5 p.m. onwards every day. So enhance your data pack and be part of this great learning experience. In case of any query, you can call me on the number provided in the banner. And we are going to provide e-certificates to all the participants who are going to be part of this particular workshop. So keep on learning, keep upskilling and reskilling yourself. Have a nice day ahead.